This video is made under fair use and is for educational purposes. This is Kim Paddock. I was telling a young man about the genocide that's being attempted by Big Pharma. And I'm not sure that he believed me until he went and got this prescription from his doctor. It's for tamsulosin, which is generic for Flomax. So let's take a look at what this is. Tamsulosin, known as Flomax, is an oral medication used to treat benign prostatic hyperplasia, known as enlarged prostate. It's an alpha blocker that relaxes the muscles in the prostate and bladder neck, making it easier to urinate. Tamsulosin is not FDA approved for the use in women or children. So what does it do? Flomax, tamsulosin, is used to treat benign prostatic hypertrophy and other urinary problems. However, it may decrease a man's semen volume and or cause anejaculation or not being able to ejaculate, which is basically sterility. Other side effects include runny nose, dizziness, headache, drowsiness, and sexual dysfunction, decreased semen production, abnormal ejaculation. If you take Flomax, see a urologist to discuss its possible impact on your fertility and other possible treatment options. And then on the other side of the very same page, we have the hypocrite saying this. Flomax is a medication used to treat the symptoms of enlarged prostate. According to the Cleveland Clinic, Flomax can cause a sharp decrease in the volume of ejaculation or inhibit ejaculation completely. However, there's no evidence that Flomax causes sterility or lowers sperm count. So much for the fact checkers. Because here is the study that was done. Effects of alfuzoin and tamsulosin on sperm parameters. So we'll get down to the nitty-gritty here. The percentage of men with normal semen viscosity was lower with tamsulosin 65% than with placebo 98%, or alfuzoin 92%. The change from baseline in semen fructose was comparable for all treatments. The percentage of motile sperm decreased 13.8% from baseline to day 5 of treatment with tamsulosin as compared to decrease of 2.3% with placebo and 0.4% with alfuzoin. The percentage of abnormal sperm increased marginally with tamsulosin, but not with placebo or alfuzoin. The most common adverse effects were dizziness, orthostatic hypotension, and the results suggest that tamsulosin has a negative effect on sperm in healthy men. So the fact checkers, of course, are wrong again, and these people are hypocrites. Let's look at some of the drugs that have this effect besides just that one. You might be surprised. We'll go to the website because it's extensive. Many antidepressants affect sperm quality. SSRIs, including Celexa, Prozac, Paxil, and Zoloft. SNRIs, Effexor, NDRI, Wellbutrin, TCAs, amitriptyline, and trazodone. Let's look at antibiotics. Macrobid, Axone, Nizoral, and anti-epilepsy drugs, Tegretol, Dilantin, and Depakote. Antiretroviral drugs, which are for HIV and other conditions, which, by the way, most of those are all caused by parasites and your body's frequency being too low. But of course, they won't make any money if they treat that problem. So the antiretroviral drugs are Zergan, Inverase, and Valsite. Calcium channel blockers including combination drugs that include one of the following: cardizem or procardia, drugs to treat urinary tract infections and benign prostatic hyperplasia are Flomax, Rapaflo, and 5-alpha reductase inhibitors, Avodart, Propecia or Proscar, drugs used to treat various conditions that affect testosterone levels, Danacrine, Decagerabulin, Ulexin, Lupron, Oaxandrin, or Anavar. Opioid medications that can affect sperm quality with long-term use or when the controlled release form is used: Buprenorphine or Suboxone, Duragestic, fentanyl, Dilude, I can't pronounce that one, Diluid, Lortab or Vicodin, Methadose or Dolophine, MS Contin, morphine, oxycodone, Ultram, various other drugs, Azuthidine, Rapamune, and many different chemotherapy drugs. I object completely to chemotherapy and radiation because I already know how to heal cancer or prevent it. And we'll talk about that in a while. And then they go into understanding how drugs affect sperm quality right there. Oh, then they go on to improving fertility. I'm sure that's going to work after they've already, poisoned you. Then they try to tell you, oh, but it's all reversible. Well, you can trust these guys, right? Anyway, so that's my summation of this problem that we have with Big Pharma trying to make our men infertile here. And if you want to see my website, support my work, and help your own health, you can go to Miracle Products, which I use the high-frequency extract of the hemp plant to raise your body's frequency so that you can actually heal your own self from many of these problems and keep your frequency high enough that you don't get them in the first place. So this is my website, and down below are my products here, and the ones that are on sale are shown first here. And if you want to see the entire list of products that I have, you can say view all products, and then you can go down and look at them. And I have holy oil, which is really wonderful for losing weight and killing the parasites that cause HIV and AIDS diseases, which are a whole lot of them, by the way. It's not just one or two. Miracle Tincture Gel for use on your skin for arthritis, tendinitis, carpal tunnel syndrome, and eczema, all sorts of other diseases. Victory Oil, which is an immune system builder and anti-parasitic, and you probably should just go in here. You can tap on it and go in here and read what I say about it. It prevents and heals serious diseases and pain, is an immune system builder, a heavy metal detox agent, prevents radiation poisoning, absorbs radiation, removes toxins, and kills parasites. And then you can go on and talk and read about its effects on cancer and other serious illnesses. And you can also give it to children. It's entirely safe. You can give some to your animals too, because if they happen to have parasites, then they can just give them right back to you. And of course, you want them healthy as well. But it lowers high blood pressure and blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, helps with heart disease, obesity. Oh my, it goes on and on. but you can check that one out if you'd like. So we'll go back to the rest of the products here real quick. But high frequency will kill parasites. They don't want high frequency near them because it will kill them. They won't tell you that at the doctor's office either. But I have bath and body oils, which can pull nanos out of your body. Lip balms. Spruce frequency cream, which, oh my, is one of the best products that I have for your skin. It's like whipped cream for your skin that heals you too. I have frequency tea, and there's a page 2, so you gotta have to hit page 2. And there's the small frequency cream, a small holy oil, a 4-sample pack, and spray and gel for the tinctures. I also would like to direct you to this site, which is Only Goodness Inside, and they have the best body deodorants that I've ever found. I've been using them for a long time, and a couple drops under each underarm will stop odor for a day and a half or 2. So I'll leave the link below for that one since it seems to be having a hard time loading. Oh, there it is. There it is. But yes, Only Goodness Inside, it's full of vitamins and minerals. It'll just make you feel better too. Vitamins and minerals that you need. Nothing at all toxic. And there's some other testimonies here that you might want to read. And he's got a whole variety of products on here that you should get on this site and learn about. And I've used them for months now, and I am very happy with them. So you may want to support Only Goodness Inside as well. We're both just small companies, and we need to have a little niche in this world so that we can help people out. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm working really hard on another set of videos, and it takes so much time to do this. I just thought I'd give it a little break and make this video in between to point out some of the things that Big Pharma does that are completely unnecessary if you know how to naturally heal yourself. So God bless. Thank you. Goodbye.